Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about how to manage different customer addresses in Odoo 18 accounting module. So, business often have customers with multiple locations such as office, warehouse, and home address, and this feature allows you to associate different addresses with each customers, streamlining the process of creating sales order, invoices, and delivery orders. So, by specifying separate delivery address and invoice address, you can ensure that the products are shipped to the correct locations and invoices are sent to appropriate billing address, and this helps to avoid errors and delays in the order fulfillment process. So let's dive into the accounting module. From there, we just need to head into the configuration settings, and under the section of the invoices, we can find a feature called customer addresses. This would let us to set the specific invoice address and delivery addresses. So once we have made the changes in the configuration settings, ensure that you have save 8 and let's consider a customer. To consider the customer, you can just move on to the customer tab and choose customers over here. So under the Azure interior here, you can find that we have just provided different addresses to manage with the invoice and delivery. Now let's move on to the sales module, and in the sales module, as we have just enabled the customer addresses, you can find two fields called invoice address and delivery address. So the main peculiarity of this feature is that whenever you just choose a customer, the other addresses such as the invoice address and delivery address will be auto-populated over here. I'm going to choose Azure Interior over here, and you can see that rest of the address such as the invoice address and delivery address is auto-populated. Now let me add the product, which is individual workspace, and here you can see we don't have sufficient quantity. So let me just update the quantity of this product right now. So you can just move on to the update quantity, and let's click on new in order to update the quantity. I'm going to set the quantity as 10, and later on let's move on to the item, and here you can see the on hand quantity is 6. I mean not 610, and the forecasted quantity is just 6. And let's move on to the new, and now let me just confirm this. Afterwards, let's yeah create, I mean deliver this. So you can see that the delivery address is Jane over here, but the invoice address will be the other one. Now let's create an invoice. So before creating the invoice, here we have to just go with two-step delivery of the item. So currently we have just delivered the item to the customer, and when you just move on to the uh, create invoice, here we are just going to create a regular invoice. So under the regular invoice, here you can see that the other address is taken. So the customer invoice address and customer delivery address are different. Now you can just click on confirm. So that's how we just manage with the customer addresses in Odoo 18, and overall the ability to manage different customer addresses and delivery addresses in Odoo 18 accounting provides a valuable tool for business to improve efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.